Alright, so ito naman yung Benelli Moto B 200 Evo.
Alright mga chong, it's been a long time na gusto kong matest ride itong classic cruiser ng Benelli. First off, you get this retro-styled, guapo-looking cruiser motorcycle. It carries the Moto B emblem. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang Moto B ay founded by Giuseppe Benelli, one of the 6 Benelli brothers na bumuo ng Benelli Company in Italy. Binuo ni Giuseppe ang Moto B Pesaro noong 1949 after magkaroon ng disagreement with other Benelli brothers. After Giuseppe Benelli passed away, ang Moto B ay naging parte na ng bigger Benelli Company. Then in 2005, binili ng Qianjiang Motor Group ang Benelli. It became Benelli QJ. Patuloy na nag-develop ang motorcycles nila, lalo na nang mag-takeover ang Geely Motor Corporations sa Qianjiang Motor Group noong 2016. Kasama na doon ang Benelli QJ. The Benelli Moto B 200 Evo still bears the retro cafe racer style motorcycles ng Benelli noong 1950s. Cafe racers. Yes, kilala kasi ang Moto B for winning races during their time. But this Benelli Moto B 200 Evo is a cruiser style with modern features. I guess that's why Benelli QJ calls it an Evo model. That's an evolution from racing to cruising. Ito ang inyong Benelli Moto B 200 Evo. Priced at 125,000 pesos. Mag-down payment ka lang ng 25,000, maiuwi nyo na itong gwapong-gwapong cruiser motorcycle by Benelli. This is a 1-cylinder, 4-stroke, 2-valve, 197cc's air-cooled engine. Yes, may oil cooler din ito, pero considered pa rin yan na air-cooled. Yes, chain drive ito with a 5-speed manual transmission. Max power niya just enough at 9.5 kilowatts at 7,500 RPM. Max torque malakas na 13.9 Newton meters at 6,000 RPM. No worries ka about adjustments and durability with cast alloy wheels. Front tires 90 by 90 by 17. And we have a front disc brakes na meron 280mm na diameter. 2-piston caliper yan. Telescopic ang front forks niya with a travel of 120mm.
Metal pa rin ang fender niya. And of course, classic headlights and bulb type na signal lights na may pagka-diamondish design.
Dual naman ang shock absorbers niya sa likod with a 53mm travel.
And then, itong mga fenders niya bakal. Itong mudguard is also metal.
Rear disc brake, syempre, at 240mm diameter. Yes, 2-piston caliper din.
And we have cordial tires. 130 by 90 by 15.
Yes, it's 2 inches smaller than the front wheels. 17 yung front. Fuel tank capacity niya, 11.8 liters. At kitang-kita mo naman ang fuel tank nito. Retrong-retro ang dating. Wheelbase niya, very stable at 1,440mm. Ground clearance niya, 150mm. No worries for city driving and bumpy roads. And we have a low seat height at 715mm. Kitang-kita nyo naman, flat-footed ako at 5'7".
Andito sa side yung ano niya, ignition. Yan, yung signal lights niya nandito. Akala ko nga ignition to, ignition key. Signal lights pala. Yan. So, pindutin ko naman yung left side. Isa lang, single lang. You press on the left, you go on the left. Okay. So, press on the right, magsisignal siya. Ayan, signal. And then, paano mo i-disengage? Pindutin mo lang ulit. Ito, ano siya, digital yung panel display niya. Bilog. So, naka-naked handlebar. Speedometer, odometer. Wala siyang gear indicator. Ayan, may trip meter. Dito makikita yung trip meter. Ayan. Ride na natin tong Benelli Moto B 200 Evo. Actually, ang ganda ng sound ng ng engine niya. So, ito yung ignition, hindi ito. So, hindi ko alam kung forward. Hindi. Pasikwat. 1 down. Ano ba to? 1 down, 5 up? Galing. O chill ride lang tayo dito sa Benelli Moto-B. Okay, so hindi ko maano yung ano ha. Ayun, okay. Bawas. Down, tapos up. Okay. Dagdag up. Okay. Kuha ko na. Okay. Actually, smooth yung handling nito. Ang daling iliko ha. Hero ka pa yun ng ano ah. Okay, bawas pababa. Bukan natin donut. Had. Taka nag-neutral. Ang sarap ha. Ito ha. Okay, so express ko without the gearing difficulties. Kasi medyo nawawala ako sa gearing. Smooth on ride nito. Ang sarap ha. Cruiser na cruiser talaga ang dating niya. Galing. Maganda to. Hindi ko lang makita yung ano eh, yung gearing eh. Ang sarap na ito i-ride oh. Magaan na siya. Tapos swabe pa yung ano, yung makina. I can feel little vibration dun sa handlebars. May konting-konti lang. Sa likod wala naman. Yung suspension nito medyo matigas yung likod. Konting-konti pero very comfortable naman yung seat. It's soft. Nakakaano lang to signal na to. Ayun, okay. Okay, bawas baba. Dagdag taas. Bawas. Palas na to.
Free full tank pag bumili ka ng Benelli Moto-B 200 Evo o kahit anong motorsiklong magustuhan mo. I-present mo lang ang screenshot ng coupon na ito with referral code TigerBug Motovlog saan mang Archway Motorcycles and affiliate branches nito. Archway Motorcycles Incorporated Bacoor, Archway Makati, Archway San Pablo Laguna, Archway Santa Rosa Laguna, Archway Silang Cavite, Benelli Cavite by Archway, Benelli Cafe Makati, Benelli Santa Rosa Laguna, and Kimco Santa Rosa Laguna. And don't forget to subscribe to TigerBug Motovlog. Live, love, ride with TigerBug Motovlog. Big thanks to Mitsukoshi Content Moto. And also thanks to, again, this is Bian Garcia, and you're on TigerBug Motovlog. Do what you love and love what you do.